Hello guys and welcome to a new episode of unboxmuse. My name is Patrick Ago and this is my twin.
Hello guys,
Right.
welcome.
So guys, wait,
What?
Twinny, you've been doing bodybuilding, right?
Yeah, right.
Just calm down, just one question, come on.
Didn't
Like,
do
oh,
anything.
alright. So I want to ask you another question.
Yeah.
Now, how long have you been doing bodybuilding? Like,
Oh, it's been 1 year and a half.
1 year and a half and you did all this in 1 year?
Mhm.
Oh, you're very good, bro.
Thank you.
You're my bro. Anyway, so to get this body, you have to stay healthy.
Mhm.
So to stay healthy, you have to monitor your body fat
Yeah.
and your body fat
Yeah.
the muscles percentage and another different things to monitor, right?
True.
Right. So maybe you're in the same case that you don't have the big budget to buy a big professional body fat scale, right? The Huawei body fat scale, the smart fat scale here is the best solution for you. It's not expensive, it's around $30 to $35 depending on where you are, and you have this full package and you can monitor it on a smartphone, any smartphone.
Any smartphone?
Yes, any smart. Yeah, you see, you can monitor up to 9 body composition indicators. And do you know, Twinny, the 9 body composition indicators?
Yes, I do know.
Huh?
They're the weight,
Huh?
the body fat percentage, the BMI, the protein, the visual fat,
Ooh.
the muscle mass, the
Oh.
body water percentage, the body bone
Nice.
mass, and the BMI.
My God, you're very smart today. Anyway, and another, I told you, you can get all the information on your smartphone. Up to 10 users, get back to that, Bluetooth connection 4.1, the Huawei from Huawei. And at the bottom of the box, you have the 9 indicators. Let's unbox it first. You agree?
Oh,
Right?
perfect.
And then we do test it very fast. Let's go. And by the way, guys, I don't think that most of you guys didn't expect that Huawei have this kind of technology, right? Phones, tablets, all right, laptops, amazing. But this, wow, did you expect it?
No.
Oh, by the way, did you subscribe? Guys, what are you waiting for?
They didn't?
Tell them.
You didn't subscribe. If you want the latest unboxing by us, just subscribe right now.
Perfect. And don't forget Instagram, unboxmuse, because we are giving you the best news, the latest news, stories, and posts. Now, guys, as I told you, you didn't expect this from Huawei. All right. So the first thing you see is the body fat scale itself. It's a slim design. The front is in glass panel, pure white all around the smart scale. So it's everywhere white. Now here it's plastic, and then here it's glass, and the logo in a metallic design here. Wow, amazing. Let's go in the back. You have those panels that rotate and move, so it can adapt when you put it on the floor and you go on it. So if the floor is not really flat, it doesn't interfere with any information you get from the Huawei body fat scale. So this, then you have the big empty space with a little tiny box. Can you see it? Anyway, so what's in this box? It's manual. So this is what you get from the box. Is only the body fat scale from Huawei. If you can see the 4 panels right here, and I think around here you have the BIA chip that has 4 pressure sensors and 360 degrees adjustable scale fit for accurate measurement. So it means if you put, like in a professional body fat scale, I mean like if you have it at the gym, you have to put your leg here and your leg here to get the best measurement. Now here 360, 4 pressure. Wow, you can put like you fit here, fit here, you fit here, and it gives you the perfect information. And in front of me, you have the 4 batteries AAA, right? It's very simple batteries. They don't give you any batteries in the box, as you saw me unbox it. All right, so at the beginning of the video, you saw me, I told you that it's up to 10 users. Huh? So this body fat scale, it can recognize you, and you don't need like to go your profile, blah, 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 blah. You go on it and you get all the information instantly on your phone or on the display. All right, guys, so now that we are connected to the phone, let's my twin test it for you live from unboxmuse.
All right, so I take it?
Yes, take it. Yeah.
Oh, but before, I have to remove my sock. What? Doesn't smell bad?
Come on, stop it.
All right, I'll stop. Let's go. So we put it on the floor. All right, so with the application, you can start connected by Bluetooth, and then you start it, and then it says, please step up into the scale. So I'm on it right now. All right, so I have to stand still. So now it's down. I press down, and then I have a bunch of informations. I have a BMI of 26.7, and it says overweight. Body fat rate is 25.3%. Muscle mass 54.6 kilogram. I have 1636 calories, I think, per day. Body water is 53%. Visceral fat, bone mineral 2.5 kilograms, protein 17.6. I have all the information, and it even shows the record time, 9:55 p.m. and that's it. So you have all the information, and I advise you to every day do this test.
Bravo, bravo. Applaudissez-le. Applaudissez-le, s'il vous plaît.
Merci.
Congrats, little bro. Guys, hope you enjoyed this body fat scale from Huawei. 35, more or less, depending on where you are, dollars. It's amazing. I hope you like this video. If you do, just like this video. Don't forget to comment any comment you want to do. And guys, soon, very soon, we will do a giveaway, a new giveaway.
Nice.
Maybe you want to comment what you think will be the giveaway. That would be nice. Yeah. Don't forget Instagram. We post every day on Insta stories, the latest news. Again, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next week. Peace!